What's up, everybody? Dylan here for Space Cadet Crypto, and today we're going to be looking at another altcoin that's been making huge moves, and a lot of people have been asking me to do a video on this token, Shiba Token. So before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you want to stay updated to all new cryptocurrency news and altcoins and the fundamentals and TA that go behind them. I'm going to be covering it all here on this channel, but without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. So Shiba Token, or the Shiba Inu coin, is another meme coin just like Dogecoin, where it was a community coin. And it says here, what is Shiba Inu? Is an experiment in decentralized community building and another meme coin similar to Dogecoin. SHIB is a native token of Shiba Inu and will be the first token to be listed and used as an incentive for using Shiba Swap, a decentralized exchange. So a lot of these coins, these meme coins, really have no monetary value, and a lot of people just get excited to get them because there is huge fundamentals to them because of the small market cap. Well, right now it's a bigger market cap than when it was, but it's still nonetheless a very, very risky investment to do at this time, especially because it's so high up and so extended. But we're going to be jumping in the charts a little bit later. I just want to show you here this article that Binance released once they said that there will be listing Shiba Inu coin here on the innovation zone. Binance will list the Shiba Inu in the innovation zone and will open trading for SHIB to Binance USD and SHIB to USDT trading pairs on May 10th at 11 a.m. Users can now deposit SHIB in preparation for trading. It says here, risk warning. This is what I want to talk to a lot of people about, because a lot of people have been asking me to make a video here on Shiba Inu, but a lot of them might not be informed as to why this is such a risky play. And because they saw Dogecoin go up to such great heights and go up thousands and thousands of percent over the last couple months, they think that this coin can do the same. And it could. It definitely could. If Dogecoin could do it, so could this. But at the same time, there's so much risk involved with investing in something like a meme coin because there's no functionality to it as of yet. And so with that, that's how you know there's going to be a lot of pump and dumps only when some sort of news comes up that there's going to be a giant movement to the upside where it cannot hold its gains and then come back down to those similar areas. So it says here, please note that at the time of this writing, the top 1, 2, and 5 wallets, so one of the 3 out of the 5 biggest wallets here hold more than 60% of the Shiba coins in circulation here. The first wallet holds 50% of the Shiba coins, the second wallet holds 7%, and the fifth wallet holds 3%. So this first wallet holds almost like pretty much half of the supply of Shiba coins. So that is one huge red flag here, that we know that there's some whales here that want to manipulate the price of this coin, and they just want the hype to go behind it, just like how they did with Dogecoin, and just reap all the rewards and drop the bags on unsuspected people that are just investing in a meme coin. So it says here, SHIB is a relatively new token that poses higher than normal risk and as such will be subject to high price volatility after the Binance listing. Please ensure that you exercise sufficient risk management, have done your own research in regards to SHIB's fundamentals, and fully understand the project before opting to trade the token. So this is kind of something that just post here to cover themselves, Binance here, because they don't want to be responsible for anybody that is investing and they don't know what they're investing in here. So they just place this warning here as well, which in my opinion it just doesn't look good for Binance. But here's just a word of caution from Binance themselves, which means that you should definitely take that extremely into account when investing in this coin. It says here, the innovation zone is a dedicated trading zone where users are able to trade new innovative tokens that are likely to have higher volatility and pose a higher risk than other tokens. So that's why they're releasing on this end. But we saw the same thing happen with crypto.com here. If we take a look here, crypto.com's Twitter page, they said that they listed exchange list SHIB. You can trade SHIB and USDT pair now. And right when they released this the other day, the site did shut down momentarily. The app wasn't working for a lot of users. People couldn't log in because so many people were logging in and creating accounts and trying to trade this coin that their servers couldn't handle it, and they were momentarily down for the time being. But they have since gone back up again. But just shows you how many people are just wanting to invest in this coin here because they want the same wave that happened with Dogecoin to happen with this SHIB coin here. So that's also another red flag that you know that this investment can be very, very volatile and very, very, very risky here. But this is just some background to SHIB coin, what's been going on in the past couple of days, that it's just another meme token that has trying to take control of what Dogecoin's market cap is. And that's why we see Dogecoin kind of cooling off and going down and retracing, but we see SHIB coin here blasting off to the moon because so many people are interested in getting the next Dogecoin. Okay, so let's jump into the charts here. Let's go and look at the price action that's been happening over the last couple of days here for Shiba Inu coin. And we do see that when we started here off here in the beginning, we had this nice parabolic run to the upside, then a quick rejection and retracement here. And I have done the Fibonacci retracements from the swing high here to the swing low to see our price targets here. And our price targets are going to be these green resistance and support lines. And we did exactly meet that target right here. We had a nice wick to the upside right here for Shiba coin. We did hit that precisely. And now we are actually retesting this area. So we retested it here as support. The 1.618 level at 0.00002343. So as you can see, it's been making huge moves here. We had this symmetrical triangle coming in from a parabolic run, and now we have hit that price target over here. And since then, we have consolidated and used some wicks here as support for this 1.618 level, created this descending triangle here, which is a bearish pattern here. Just another word of warning from the price action so far. But here, if we do break out from here, we hit that target again, and we actually are starting to use that price target at around 0.00003310. So small. Anyway, so it's already hit that price target, and now we're starting to see it used as support right here, right? And now we are starting to make some candles to the upside here. My next target of resistance would be this top area here, which is just a fib retrace golden pocket level, which has been where I draw all my resistance boxes here and support boxes. And that's what it's looking like for Shiba. We are super overextended here on the RSI here when we got this breakout to the upside. Since we consolidated, we have brought the price down, but this is the 15-minute RSI, so it's not very significant. If we look at the right here, this RSI on the 4-hourly, it's a little bit more significant. So we are seeing some bearish divergence here as well. We are making higher highs on the price action, but on the RSI, on our oscillator, we are making lower highs here. So we're seeing that there's less strength in the market for buying Shiba Inu coin here. So we are due for more of a retracement down to these areas here where we found support back here. And if we do drop to that area, we will see a 33% move to the downside here. But so far we've gotten, how much have we pumped here so far? So this is a 1000% move here from 2 days ago, 3 days ago. So it's an insane move. So we know it's super overextended. There's so many people here that are trying to chase a new Dogecoin and see their price go up, just like Dogecoin did in the last couple months. And they're trying to chase this pump. But like I said, there's just huge warning signs here. Our RSI has showing bearish divergence, showing us the price is going to come back down soon again, and it's showing us even over right here to our high here and our lower high here that we might just make here. So it is looking pretty bearish at the moment here for Shiba Inu coin, but yet again, so did Dogecoin, and then it still kept pumping and pumping and pumping until they reached its limit, and so many people got burned on Dogecoin because they were buying at 60 cents, 70 cents, all the way at the top here, hoping for $1, but they ended up getting dropped on with a 30% drop here with Dogecoin. And I see the same thing happening here for Shiba Inu coin. They're both meme coins, and they don't have any real practical purpose as of yet. So always an extreme word of caution when you are dealing with these investment coins. Even Binance themselves, even though they have listed it here on their website, doesn't mean that it is a secure token that is looking out for your best interest and the interest of the investors. It is just another volatile project here, and that's why they put it in their investment zone. Like they said themselves, these are coins and projects that are super volatile, and investors need to be wary of that here, because we're just seeing these bearish divergences. We are seeing all the price targets being hit so far, and it just keeps going up and up. And remember, once, let's zoom out just a little bit here, once it starts getting parabolic and you just start seeing a J. So this is what I like to warn, yet again, not financial advice, but I always like to warn people here, when you're seeing these patterns play out, when you're seeing these shapes here, these parabolic run-ups, you always know that there's going to be a quick quick retracement to the downside here when you're making these kinds of moves. And we saw that already here. The first parabolic move when crypto.com put this on their exchange, Shiba Inu coin, and we saw this huge move to the upside where it even crashed their servers for the moment. And now we're seeing the same thing happen here with Binance coin. So that's what you see in the news today, because Shiba Inu is pumping, is because Binance coin listed it on their exchange. All right, and even if we look at our moving averages here, our dynamic moving average, see how far up extended we are from this slower support right here. We are super extended over here, just like how we had a lot of space between right here and the price action here at the top. We came back down to this area and eventually remet it over here, and now we're moving back up away from it. So only time will tell, but this has to come back down here and touch this area of support here eventually. So we do see some huge risk associated with this coin. And I just want to make this quick video here just saying to be cautious when trading these coins. This is just another meme coin like Dogecoin, but remember, this is not financial advice. It's just showing here. I'm just reading the charts here and also reading some news like how Binance posted this saying a word of caution here, noting this is like one of the biggest red flags here. 3 of these wallets own more than 50% of the circulating Shiba coin supply. So that is just a huge red flag here, showing us the whales are interested in taking a lot of money, and we don't know when, but it will happen soon enough. So that is it for this video. If you appreciated this content and you found it informative, remember to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any new cryptocurrency news here. I'm going to be doing TA on a lot of my favorite altcoins that I know are going to have some crazy potential here in this bull run that's happening right now. But without further ado, peace out.